when you put a cold olive oil into a hot pan, it'll never burn. All right, and we're gonna start off with this right here. Onions. You hear that sizzle right there? Start with some onions. All right. Cut up some parsley right here. This is the curly Italian parsley or whatever. Just rough chopping right there. It's gonna get lost in the sauce, just for flavor. I'll lower this a little bit. I always put the onions first. I don't put the garlic in there because garlic burns. Alright, we're gonna go on with the garlic now. I like a lot of garlic. Come on. Little chili flakes right here. Just like that. Got this wine right here. Always cook with a wine that you're willing to drink. So we got a Sauvignon Blanc. Got a Sauvignon Blanc right here. If I can open it. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, there you go. We're gonna deglaze this soon. Real soon. A little sea salt right here. I don't measure. It's too much. That guy didn't go in with that. There you go. I got pepper. I didn't have the freshly cracked, so we'll use this. We'll set up for that right now. Look at that. You can only smell this. Ridiculous. I'm gonna go with this wine right here. I'm gonna go in with this clam juice right here. I always put extra clam juice, even though the flavors are gonna come out of these clams right here. Ready? Everybody in. Wake these guys up a little bit.
You forgot to say that you had them sitting in water for 3 hours
What
to
up?
get the sand out.
It's a. We'll get it next time. Alright, so that's it. I'll see you back in a little bit. This is done. I added, I'm gonna put a little more. I didn't mention this, but I added seafood stock. Okay, so now that's it. This is about to be done. I'm gonna add some butter right here. Everything's better with butter. I'm gonna add a couple pieces of thyme right here. Little hint of flavor. Like that. That. I don't know, it's not cooperating. It's supposed to just come right off when I do this. But it's fine. Little piece of the thyme right there. I lowered my heat down because they're about to come out. I'm gonna roll up this basil right here like this. Just a couple for flavor. Cut it up. I don't have great knife skills, but I get it done. tastes good. So I'm adding a couple basil, a couple pieces of basil right there, and then I'm gonna finish it with fresh parsley right here. While that butter is melting. Give it a little turn to help this butter melt. I like making a lot extra broth because you can dip it in bread. That broth is addicting. Alright, and next we're gonna plate. Alright, so we'll come back to plate. Alright, now we're gonna add the pasta right here. Add some pasta right here in this salted water. Let that go for at least a minute and a half so it could be al dente. We'll be back when I'm ready to plate up. Ready? Alright, so this is what we're doing right here. We're gonna get the pasta. I cooked it halfway so it can finish cooking with that good broth from the clams. We're gonna take some of this water right here. Let it finish cooking. And I saved some pasta water too. This pasta is gonna be delicious. You have no idea. With the butter infused in it. And a little more of this stock right here. This clam juice. So good. That. Throwing a lot of parsley right here. A lot of parsley. Cut up. And the pasta's gonna cook with that. And I saved some little cheese right here so it could be a little creamy. Let that simmer for a little bit. High right there. The cheese is gonna thicken it up. That's why I cooked it halfway. So I got the cheese right here. Check it out. Got cheese right there. Let that cheese melt in there. That's it, a couple seconds and we're gonna be plating. Look at that. You can smell this right here. It smells so good. That cheese roughly melted. About ready to plate right here. My plate. Lower it all the way low. That's good right there. Nice and al dente. this one here. Let's see if it gets a little fancy right here. Motherfucker. Oh, whatever. A little more of the juice right here. Some more parsley. I don't have enough parsley. And that's it. We're done.